Fred was always very involved in the community, and being the lieutenant colonel of the police department, the state troopers, he always was an advocate for people of New Jersey. So when he retired from that position and then told us that he was going to run for elected office, although we were surprised at the venue he was going to do it in as an elected state senator, we knew it was the right choice for him because his passion for helping people and helping the community is something that's a real differentiator for Fred.
During my original campaign in 2003, meeting the constituents, the elderly that are self-medicating themselves, the families that don't have access to health care directly through because they don't have health insurance, these individuals literally refocused me and changed my personal life and what I was going to do in the Senate. When I got there, I pursued a seat on the Senate Health Committee to try to make a positive difference in lives of people just like that.
Senator Madden has been very supportive of us in the capacity that first he sponsored legislation that would help with patient safety in terms of expanding the capabilities of nurse practitioners in the state. The other important piece of legislation that he got passed was legislation that increased the penalties for any patient or visitor who would harm a nurse or other healthcare worker in the course of them carrying out their duties.
Fred's family are all in healthcare, with the exception of his son. Every one of them are in healthcare. And Fred has always been a big advocate for Kennedy, from when he always talks about from when we were a small two-building hospital at Washington Township to what we've expanded to today.
Having lived in Washington Township now for over 30-some years, all my children were born in Washington Township's Kennedy Hospital. From a community perspective, I just hope that the Kennedy Health Systems family understands the positive impact that they make on the community at large, because they truly do affect lives in a very, very positive way.
Senator Madden is there for every event that occurs anywhere in the Kennedy Health System. And he is there because he is representing the constituents that he serves, and he is there to show his support for Kennedy and what Kennedy is trying to do to elevate the level of health care provided to the constituents and the communities that he serves.
He is what you see. He's a true gentleman. He's quiet in many ways, but he's very powerful in what he gets done.
He will do things quietly for his constituents to enable them to have a better living condition, a better standard of care, or access to health care when previously they didn't have it.
I would like to thank the members of the Kennedy Health Systems Selection Committee for selecting me to receive this most esteemed award, the Beacon Award. I would also like to thank my family and my wife, Patty, for their continued support in my life, in my lifetime, for the endeavors that I've taken on. Without their support, I would not be here receiving the Beacon Award.
Senator Madden is certainly a deserving recipient of the Beacon Award. He is someone who is compassionate, who has made a difference in healthcare in New Jersey, and he's someone who's contributed positively to the Kennedy organization.
I would encourage each and every one of you to continue to keep that energy and that spark that brought you to this calling. And please do not underestimate the positive impact you are having on the constituents and the communities in which you serve.